Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Emotional or Feeling Thermometer. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is an evaluation or testing tool. It got the following characteristics. The thermometer of emotions or emotional thermometer is a visual resource that relying on photographs, illustrations, emoticons, or any other kind of image, you can trace and evaluate the response of a person to a specific development. This tool is used in the evaluation stage of a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. It has the advantage that comments can be made directly without hurt the susceptibility of a product or a service or the person that is developing this. The emotional or feeling thermometer is extremely helpful because it really allowed you to evaluate emotion, which is actually really hard. The problem, for example, when you make an interview or when you make some direct recollection is that people could be really straightforward and can really hurt feelings of people. And sometimes it's very hard to uh, quantify the amount of the response of the people because they can say, I like it, but how much? So this is why this is very helpful. Before I start explaining this, if you like what we do, if you like our channel, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, give us a like. If you want to donate, you are more than welcome to do that. So yeah, it really helps us a lot. So yeah, so the emotional thermometer start when you want to know something. So what do I want to know? That is the first question that you need to ask. You want to evaluate a prototype. You want to evaluate a prototype of a product, of a service, of a business model. You want to understand a user better. That could happen. So when you know that you can use this tool as a focus group specific, or you can also use it as a single person if you want to know something specific, but I recommend to develop a focus group. So the thermometer, of course, uh, any person has been sick and has fever. So the idea here is that you can evaluate the response of a person of something. If someone says like, I don't really like this, it's disgusting. So here the idea is that can assess the response of that. So the red zone, it means that you don't really like it, you don't really feel it, you feel that is missing something. So that is the red zone. The orange zone is that, okay, you don't completely hate it, but you don't like it either. So it's very interesting that it allowed you to focus and understand that better. The yellow one is that you don't really care. I mean, you're completely indifferent. It's an average, okay? Yeah, it doesn't generate any kind of emotions, positive or negative. The clear green is that you like it. I mean, it's not the best thing in the world, but you can develop something that you think is interesting. And the the green one, which is more dark, is the best possible answer that you could have. Is something that you really like, that you really enjoyed, that you will recommend to someone else, and the experience has been really good. You start developing and attaching feelings to that. After you analyze and after you make the test, you analyze the results, the comments of the people, because they can say something why you don't like it, why you don't feel it, so they can say. So you can assess and you can analyze all the different results. And with that, you can decide if the prototype is validated or is not, and understand this. Here you can go back and make a new prototype because what you are doing is not working. So that is very, very interesting. You can adjust, make small adjustments, bit adjustment Or even if the feedback is really, really bad, you can say like, yeah, we need to do something else because this is not working and people don't like it. So that is extremely important that you can understand that. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool is very useful to evaluate a prototype. People do not feel pressure to say what they really think. I mean, it's easier that you show your emotions and what you have. Well developed this session is key to make the participants feel calm, that they can say and feel free. I mean, you don't want to that people say like, yeah, this is amazing, when you understand and analyze that, yeah, people is not feeling, but they are afraid. So you have to be very straightforward and make people feel comfortable with that. The tool can be used the time as many times as you need until, or you can validate, or you can say like, yeah, no, this is not working, I'm gonna change it. So that is very, very important, and will really helpful with that. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video that is very helpful for your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every week we got a new video. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.